what is the CBD product that you're using for your dogs? The dog is earning 10K a month. It's crazy. I know. So affiliate marketing is when you fall in love with something and you're talking about it anyways, and then you decide to sign up to become an affiliate, which means that you're given a link, and then your link allows you typically to give people some kind of a discount. And then when people use your link, you get a commission. And I love this. I absolutely love this. I love this for me personally, 1,000 times better than being an influencer deal. And I know some people love influencer deals, which is great. With an influencer deal, you get paid to talk about something. With affiliate code, you get to give your audience a discount. And I'm all about that. Like I'm here because of my audience. So why wouldn't I split the commission basically with them? Right? So you can do affiliate marketing for all of your favorite products. You can do it for clothing. You can do it for the food that you eat. You can do it for the protein shakes that you drink, for the makeup that you wear, for the gadgets that you buy. You can become an affiliate for freaking everything. Everything. And the more expensive the thing is, the bigger your commission, right? Amazon, you can become an affiliate for Amazon. Love that. Courses that have helped you. If you listen to Audible books, you could become an affiliate for Audible. You could become an affiliate for the software and apps that you use, right? Like maybe you use Rent the Runway or The Real Real, or there's some apps that you use for your business, any of the courses that you've taken, software that you've taken, or software that you use in your business. Any of these things you can become, if you're talking about it and you love these things, those companies know that your stamp of approval is worth way more than advertising dollars. And this is the new form of marketing. This is the new media. And businesses understand this. Very cool. Monthly memberships. No matter what it is, like for a wine membership, we get our dog food delivered. That can be, in fact, one of our students has an account where they just feature their dog. Dogs become very popular on social media. And the dog makes over 10K a month simply by being an affiliate for 3 different products, 3 different pet products. That's crazy, right? But they started just by setting up the affiliates. Like the people would say, like, what do you feed your dogs? What are those buttons that you're using that, your dog uses to communicate? What are those toys that you use for your dog? Where are you getting it? What is the CBD product that you're using for your dogs? The dog is earning 10K a month. It's crazy. I know. You can become an affiliate for other experts. That's just one additional stream of income. How do you do that? You find the product that you love. You sign up on their website to become an affiliate. Then you create just very natural, organic. It's the same stuff you're doing anyways on social media. Hopefully you're always recommending things that you love and things that have helped you. And then you tell people, if you'd like the discount code, let me know. And you create a relationship with people and you collect the commission. I mean, I'm simplifying it, but generally speaking, that's how you do it. This is one of our students. I love this. At the time, he had 143 subscribers. I didn't say 143,000. I said 143. He had 143 subscribers for young bucks, big bucks. And here's what he did. I love this story because I want to give you specific examples where you can go like, wait, I don't have a big following. Share with me how this is done. So Jake at the time was 18 years old when he did this. And what he did was create a YouTube channel. And everything he was doing to grow his business, he created a screen recording. Okay. So Jake did a screen recording of him building out a plug and play website using Bluehost. Right. And he said, this is how I did it. Here's the buttons I clicked. I clicked this button. You don't need to buy this. You don't need this upsell. Click no to this, click yes to this. Here's how you change this setting. Oh, and by the way, if you would like to know the company that I use to set up this website, click this link below. He put that link below on his YouTube video, which only had 143 subscribers. And that first month made over $10,000 in commissions. Sorry, not the first months. In the first 6 months, made over $10,000 of commissions as an 18-year-old starting his freshman year of college, like with like virtually no social media following. My point is this: it is very possible, even with a small following, to create an affiliate income. For those of you who are in network marketing is ideal. But yes, you need to grow your social media. Yes, you need to be passionate. You need to be organized. You need to be persistent, and you need to have a niche. Listen to me. You need to have a niche outside of your product. Your product is not a niche. You've got to have a specific interest, a unique approach, something valuable, a singular topic that you're promoting every single day on social, or you're not going to grow your social media.